All right, guys, so here's an unboxing video of the throttle body I got on eBay last night. I opened the box. Let's see what we got here. Hardware, cool. I was wondering if I'd get those. Some of them offer free hardware when you get the throttle body. But this one just came with it. Wow, it's a lot heftier than I thought. Oh, look. It's got a gold blade, which I didn't expect because the picture, I'll put the link in the description, but it's got a gold blade on it. And it is CNC'd because you can see groove mark. See, this is how I knew from the eBay ad. You can see the CNC marks, and that's what I wanted. Yep, there we go, in the reflections. Anyway, dude, this thing is sweet. It's so heavy, too. Nice, sturdy. Oh, let's see if there's any light leaks. Well, it's open there, but let's see. With one hand, can I do it? There we go. Oh, look how perfect that is. Look like it's all fairly uniform. The nice thing is that this is like a Nick Williams knockoff, and I had a fast 102 before, and it even has, I don't know if you can see it, that ramp so that it slows air down and kind of forces it where it needs to go. But yeah, it's super pretty. Here it is, open 90 degrees. Anyway, this is the one that I got that had the Nick Williams look. Instead of this going all the way down to here and then across and up and having a long, whatever you want to call it, neck, this one looks just like the Nick Williams. It's got a stepped area here, stepped area, bolt holes. Yeah, this thing is pretty. And it was, I think I paid 93 bucks. Anyway, I'll tell you guys who it is, and if you want one, do it, and hopefully I'll have this thing installed here in like a week or two. All right, there you go. And the hardware.